Good morning, Tesla fans. Aaron Rath here from Rat's Tesla, and today we're going to talk about sense. Well, not common sense, because that would be a very, very long video. No, today we're going to talk about sense and making your car smell good. So stick with us right here on Rat's Tesla. So in the opener there, the little teaser, I showed this black ice car freshener. And, you know, growing up as a teenager, these were the things that I put in my car. You'd hang them from the rear view mirror up here, and, you know, everybody'd see your black ice or whatever scent you chose, and that would be what you would go with. But these things are kind of obnoxious. One, they hang in your way, they take away vision from your windshield. And two, if you really do them correctly, you're not supposed to remove them fully from the bag. You're supposed to slide the bag down them slowly to release the scent. Well, that's just dumb in my opinion. So we're going to throw that away. And we are going to talk about our product today from our friends over at Arcoche. I'll have the link in the description down below. I'll have all the pertinent information on the screen below the video. But this is a really cool little product as we get ready to go. And it really hides away, but it gives you some great scent. And right now, this is on arcoche.net for $27.99. If you use my code RATSTESLA at checkout, you'll get 15% off of that. And while you're there, add a bunch of other things to your cart because you get 15% off of everything. But let's open this box up. Let's take a look at what's inside here, and let's get this installed in the car. I mean, it's super simple. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so as we get this out, you can see it's a nice clean box, and we'll just kind of open it up. It opens up itself, and this is the diffuser stick itself. And you'll notice on here, we'll see if we can get it to do it, but these slots are pass-through. You can see the light going through them from my ambient lighting. Those are the pass-through. That's what the scent is going to go through. And then in the box, you also have your scents in this other little side box. See if I can get this out of here without, well, now I just ripped it, but because I'm trying to do it with one hand. So let's get this with two hands here. So we'll open this up and pull one of them out. And I've got a little bit of everything. So this one's Serendipity. Let's see what other scents are in here. I got the sample pack. So Serendipity. What's this one called? Ice Valley Cedar. That one might be good to start out with. Melody Time. And then Afflatus. So we're going to start off with, let's do the Ice Valley Cedar first. So, sorry if my camera is a little wobbly here. First thing you have to do is you have to unscrew the end of this, and there's two ends, and they both just kind of pop out, right? So you're just going to kind of slide it out. It's just got a little rubber seal on there, so you just slide that out, and that's going to create this opening. So now we just take this bag, open it up, and you got the little scent stick. Take that scent stick, slide it in, and then plug it back up. I wish you could smell this, but you can't. It's got a very nice label on there for the brand Arcoche. Now this is super simple. What you want to do is those slots that were on there, you want to make sure that those are pointed out, and you're going to take this and you're going to put it right here in this vent. And you want to see how I have the slots pointed up? That means the other set are pointed down. Now the air is flowing through those, and that's going to put the diffuser, that's going to diffuse the scent into the car. You don't want to have it sit like this because now the scent isn't coming into the car. You want to be able to see the brand name and the slots, and then this will diffuse into the car. Now this has nice little rubber grommets on this end and this end to keep this from sliding back and forth. It's in there pretty steady, and that will just allow the scent to diffuse. And you can see sitting back here in the passenger seat, it really isn't that unsightly. It's not like the I chucked it in the back seat. It's not like this one hanging from the rear view mirror, blocking the vision and having the bag on there. Instead, it's a nice, clean, easy install right there on the dashboard. Like I said, nice, easy install, nice, easy video for today from our friends at Arcoche.net. Great little item. I'll let you know how the scents last. Like I said, they last about 30 days, and you can buy the refills on the site. You can also get what they have as a lifetime subscription. So if you really wanted to go through, you can get the refills. I mean, you can get a bunch of different things here. If you get the scent refills, you can get a 4-pack of those for $17.95. You can pick your scents, or you can do a kind of a rotation and choose different ones each time. So you can update, get new scents for $17.95. You can order one of the star diffusers and a product for $27.99. You can also get them in gold. You can get a golden diffusers in a product. If you get 2 of those, it's $27.99. You can get 2 rose gold diffusers. Well, those are unavailable. Or you can do what they have on here as a lifetime membership. The lifetime membership gives you the air freshener diffuser with the scent sticks, and you basically get on the lifetime. Well, here's what it says. If you join to be one of the members, you get free free aromatherapy refill sticks 4 times, and free new aromatherapy sets 2 times a year. So you get 4 sticks 4 times a year, and then you get 2 new sticks twice a year. So, and that membership is $299.99, and you can use my 15% discount code off of that, Rats Tesla, and get 15% off of that. If you just want to take care of getting a lifetime membership, go ahead and do that. If not, you can order the product super easy. Get the diffuser you want and get the scent you want for $27.99, and then just take care of ordering the refills that you want every 4 months, 3 months or so for $17.95. But make sure you use the discount code Rats Tesla at checkout. That'll get you 15% off of our friends over at Arcoche.net. That'll do it for today's video. Thanks for watching so much. This was a good video to make my car. It's summertime. I like to have my car smelling fresh when people get in it, and I think that this is going to do it for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell button. That way you get notified of upcoming videos. And also make sure you hit the like button so it puts it into the rotation and other people see this video as well. As always, thanks for watching. Get out, go drive, be safe, have fun, and we will catch you in the next video.